Welcome everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome to your new home, W274 Madison Avenue, Lane Street, I don't remember, but Madison, I believe it's Madison Street, in Ixonia, Wisconsin, just outside of Oconomowoc. Welcome to your new home. We're going to take a tour of the place and start off with showing you the front door entrance. And now, of course, we're in the garage. It is attached, two-car garage. Looks like it's all finished out. Don't look at the car, that's mine. It does not come with the house. I need something to drive. So that's mine, it stays here. But this is our garage, entrance. So this is the downstairs. Again, it's not finished. This is Adashun Jones' signature home, condo. This is the left side. It's in the town of Ixonia, I believe that's how you pronounce it, W276 Madison Street, right off of Highway 16. I'm going to post this up real quick. If you want to come out and take a look at it, we're here 1 to 3. This is Joe from Adashun Jones. Thanks for listening. If you like the content, again, it's going to be raw. Like, subscribe, and follow Joe Paasch of Adashun Jones Realty. Thank you. Have a great day. First, we'll start with the outside. And then we walk around to the main door. As you could tell, it is a new construction. So there is some opportunities to do your own landscaping and to set it up the way you want to. Garage is fully finished, as you can see. All drywalled and ready to go for your vehicles. It is a two-car garage with a little extra depth here. Looks for the like for the tools and stuff. And then as we enter through the garage, you have access to a place to take off your coats. Nice little bench seat here. Nice little area to take off your shoes and get yourself ready for the day as it approaches in your new home. Right off the back door here, we have a very large coat closet. And then as we come down, we have this very functional single bath. Oops, I don't like to be in the picture, but that's okay. Now you know what I look like for real if you haven't. Great fixtures. Again, this is a Signature Homes home, which means the fixtures and the surfaces are all going to be top notch, top grade. The construction is going to be wonderful. And would you look at this? Those of you who followed me before and have seen me do open houses and showings of homes, guess what we got? That's right, a pocket door. God, I love these things. I wish you'd get to see more of these, but a nice lovely pocket door. Across the little hallway from the bathroom, we have our laundry service, first floor, for your convenience. Washer and dryer. And of course, we got soft close. It's a Adashun Jones Signature Homes kind of thing. All of our drawers will be soft close. Take a look at our first bedroom that we're walking into here, right by the main entry. So this could be an office maybe if you only need 2 bedrooms, or it could be a bedroom for one of the children. Going to come around the corner. We'll go into the kitchen area first. Again, it's a nice kitchen area. State-of-the-art appliances, stainless steel, great countertops. Super finish on the cabinetry, and of course the soft closed doors. One of those retractable sink dealios so you can spray, and of course you get a window while you're washing your dishes, or just rinsing stuff out because it does have a dishwasher as well. And then we pan around over here to the patio area. As you can see, again, this is a new build, so the landscaping is up to you. Right off the highway, nice trees, good tree line. Looks like the neighbors next door have started working on their landscaping. Again, a nice deck maybe could could be added by you. Then we'll pan around again, take a look. And then we come into the dining room area again with these lovely windows, double hungs of course. Great LVP flooring. And our front door entry area, of course the open concept as you come in. And, oh, too fast, sorry about that. Nice mantle. And an electric fireplace. Well, these things are always fun. Always fun to play with. I believe this one you could change the, oh yeah, look at that, change the color of the flame, what you want it to look like, and how bright you want it. Of course, it's on a timer. And we pan around here to the front door area again. Little closet here for coats and such, and things that somebody need for the front door. And of course we've got, oops, someone cover that up. Our front door entranceway. Again, new build. We'll need to do a little landscaping. So far, so good. Really like the way the place looks. I'm going to spin around and we're going to take a look at the bedroom area here in just a second. So let's take a look. We'll spin around. And we'll get to the basement last but not least. Again, we're going back toward the kitchen area. Back of the home is where we have another bedroom in our 2-bedroom with its master suite. So this is a little larger bedroom, obviously. Lofted ceiling, nice little detail there. Gorgeous view of your backyard, or whatever the backyard would be, however you decide to use it. Again, this is a new Signature Homes build. And then we come into the master bath suite. Easy step shower. If you can't step over a tub, and it does have a seat, so it is convenient for you older folks who may be looking for a new place to go, new place to live, place to hang your bathrobe, and one of the shower heads that give you that nice feeling of the rain. Of course, we have dual sinks, and then we walk down a little further to a pretty sizable master closet. Come back around. Again, we have another closet door here for the pantry. Imagine where you would keep your canned goods and stuff for your kitchen stuff. Again, another quick look at our living room and our open concept. We'll take a walk downstairs now. The basement is unfinished. I noticed that before when I came down. Carpeting stops here, but on the plus side, it does appear to be stubbed out for another bathroom down here, and we have an egress window. So this could be converted to another bedroom, master bedroom, another living quarters because of the egress. Of course, everything is brand new here. Concrete walls, no apparent leaks or anything like that. Of course, brand new construction, you would expect not to have any of that stuff. And of course, another function I love is this must be an 8-foot ceiling. I'm a tall guy, for those of you who don't know, and I bang my head a lot on big